According to reports from All Things Digital, next September 10th Apple may hold an event where we could see very interesting developments. Among them could be the Infinix 5C, also called low-cost Infinix, and an improved version of Infinix 5, probably an Infinix 5S. Do I need a cheaper Infinix? Absolutely yes, and the Cupertino seem to have noticed. The push of Android devices at very affordable prices make Apple completely miss an entire niche, the spanning mid-range phones, which hover between $300 and $400, and it could be a very good source of income for Apple. The Infinix 5C could be the perfect device to storm the market for mid-range smartphones. If we look at the rumors, despite being built with a polycarbonate exterior, the quality would be excellent. With a fourth display, the same as the Infinix 5, and with hardware like the Infinix 4S, would be a very capable phone, with iOS 7 series undoubtedly have taken away good sales compared to other mobile prices like the Infinix 5S. With respect to Infinix 5S or 6, whatever you call it, is expected to exact outside of the Infinix 5, but with a greatly enhanced inside, bigger screen, better camera, faster processor, more RAM, who knows, although most awaited novelty is the much-rumored fingerprint sensor. As a safety measure, it seems that in less than a month we will answer all the questions. By the way, if you want to know more about the Infinix low cost, do not miss checking out the latest issue of the journal Done Break on your iPad, for free.